It's not a job you often see. They are the quiet note takers, but they are absolutely essential to the way a courthouse operates.
We're talking about court reporters, and there is a shortage of them, not only across the state, but nationwide. WCIA3's Courtney Bunting is live at the Champaign Public Library now. And so, Courtney, what are people doing about this?
Well, Jennifer, courthouse leaders are actually offering introductory classes to court reporting. For example, one is happening right now at the Champaign Public Library behind me. Now, these courthouse leaders say if more people aren't trained to fill these court reporter positions, the legal system could seriously suffer.
I started as a reporter in 1978.
Joni Markle has seen a lot of changes in her time working in both Vermilion and Champaign counties.
I love that it's not the same thing every day.
One of those changes has been the shrinking number of people with her same position. Because of that, court reporters aren't always available to be in the courtroom.
We used to do preliminary hearings. We don't do those anymore.
Lower numbers mean some hearings rely on digital recordings that are later transcribed by court reporters. But Markle says that's far from foolproof.
The digital recording, the microphone's right there. You have two people at least at one table. Somebody coughs, somebody talks over someone else if they're talking at the same time.
Melissa Clagg oversees the court reporters in Champaign County. She believes there are a lot of misconceptions about the field.
You're just listening, you're absorbing everything that's spoken, and you're learning as you go. So if you don't necessarily know the law, that's no problem. You take it down. If you don't understand something, you always have the chance to look it up or ask somebody.
Those misconceptions could be part of why fewer people are showing interest in the field.
Right now, we have about 50 vacancies statewide.
And that's already having a serious impact on the court system. But it's about to get a lot worse.
Within the next 10 years, for sure, it's going to be probably about 75% of them will be eligible or will have retired, and then those numbers would mean that we'd need about 400 people to take their spot. Locally, not 400 people learning court reporting.
Those classes, as I mentioned before, are called First Step classes. They're just introductory, and there will be 4 of them held here at the Champaign Public Library. You can find more information about how to sign up for those classes at WCIA.com. Reporting live in Champaign, Courtney Bunting, WCIA3, your local news leader.
They really are so vital to the process. Hopefully maybe people watching will be inspired. All right, thank you.
U of I has been looking